Hi everybody, my name is Quentin. I'm a host in Atlanta. I have a brand new property in Stone Mountain. I'm super excited to take you onto this quick tour. We've heard all of the things that members are afraid of or nervous about, or they have reservations about why they're not booking rooms. We're here to solve that. We want to give you an in-person tour. Put your feet in this house, touch it, feel it, smell it, see what it is that you're going to be buying. So let's go on a quick tour.
Okay.
Oh, it's like really bright right here.
Okay. It is. This is cute.
Oh,
Okay.
wait a second.
Please register.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh, and my headphones. This is one room?
Yeah. What it called a TV?
Oh, not a came with a TV. This is a rocking. Oh, this is cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Girl.
Okay, let's go this way.
They got a mini.
Okay, that's another room. Can't wait to go upstairs. Yeah. Okay, this way. Okay, room number 2 with a TV.
Oh,
This is cute. Oh, and it got a closet.
right. I like the shower cabins in the towels.
I love that.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
excited.
Hold on.
Okay, hallway.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is my room right here. I like the pink sheet.
Okay, this is cute. Little
like the
TV.
pink
room.
sheet.
Oh, and it got a little. That's what I be
Oh, I like
needing in my
this.
room.
Look. You got a dresser in here in the closet. More storage.
I like that. Now that's
Yeah.
cute. Okay.
Yeah, I like these rooms.
I know that's
Thank you.
right.
They
And
look
it come with the mini
really
fridge. Gotcha.
All right.
So it's 3 rooms so far we seen.
Yep. Now it's time to go upstairs. How about this way?
Oh, this way? Okay. Got more little fridges.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Like a
so
common
like
area. Okay, like a little living room, This is what I wanted us to do downstairs in the other spot, but you know, whatever. And then have this little, Okay, fridge, it worked. It ain't on, but it's all good. Gotcha. Okay, bathroom.
Nice.
Okay. You so funny. That's cute. This is something? Oh, okay, another room up in here. Big closet. It must be a master. It might be.
Yeah.
It sure is. Or en suite, that's what they say. This is cute.
Right.
I like that.
I don't know. This is kind of like really similar to the other house.
It is.
It's just
With the big closet. I love that.
Oh. So our bedroom.
Okay. Don't tell me this is another closet. Another bathroom.
Oh, walk in.
Okay.
Walk in.
You could have turned this into a room. Not too bad. I know that's right. This is cute. That's huge.
Wow.
There's a bathroom. I know that's right. Dang, when your first day to get tenants, somebody need to move in here. Oh, yeah. This is cute. I really like these type of showers.
Yeah.
I like that. I'm not really
Okay.
I do not like I don't do tubs. And I love a mirror.
Ooh.
Oh, this is the kitchen. And cookies. This is cute. It's a donuts. Okay, washer and dryer in the kitchen. Another room. Look at Leah room. In the kitchen. And another ensuite bathroom.
In the kitchen.
Oh my gosh. Another ensuite. Dang.
Wow.
I might have to transfer. I need to look.
Now this is nice.
I'm telling you. Okay, another bathroom. Okay, what it's a. Okay, so we start somewhere.
Wow.
Okay.
Each room got
each room got a TV.
Yeah.
Damn near every room got a closet. I like that. And it was like 2 rooms that had their own bathroom. 4 rooms that have their own bathroom. Yo, I need that. Yeah. Okay.
That's a
9.6.
Wow.
I know that's right. It better be in this country ass area. Oh, I can't say that on the video.
Yeah, you can.
This is nice.
I'm another ensuite bathroom. I know that's right. What a big closet.
The best part, though, they all got mini fridges.
Yeah, they all got mini fridges. I love that. And it still got two fridges still in the house with a little kitchenette area and a full kitchen. Now, you know, I'm a big stickler about the outside, so I want to see the backyard.
Right. This way.
Gotcha. I don't even know my right from my left. God. Oh.
Stay here.
Okay.
Hold that.
Gotcha.
Give me that.
All right. I'll close the door. Okay. Now I'm slamming doors already.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Might be part over here for real.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I would never be out here because I don't do height. But this is nice.
I love this. No, I'm gonna be out here. Oh yes. Be careful now.
Sorry, Justin. You're good.
I know that's right.
Sorry. My anxiety is through the roof right now.
I know that's right. I love this.
How quiet is that?
That's what I'm saying.
No Mexican music.
Jet. You guys doing the fence over here now.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Here, come on in.
This is lovely.